Welcome to another exciting episode of Musa and Show. Here is what we have today.
Sanibona, ey'nsukwini ezedlule i-Statistician General usiphe ama-statistics wasazisa ngokuthi kwi-first quarter ka-2025 unemployment rate ikhuphukile. Sikhulumile-ke ngalokho sacaphuna amavidiyo ahlukahlukene. Kodwa nami ngibuyelile nje emuva ngabheka ngaqhathanisa ukuthi kusuka ngo-2018 kwi-last quarter mase kuphethe uCyril Ramaphosa as upresident kuze kufike namhlanje unemployment rate beyenze njani. Ngathola ukuthi-ke ikhuphukile, ngizokufakela la ku-screen. Uma ubheka ngo-2018 beyiku-27.1, so beyilokhu ikhuphuka ukuhamba kweminyaka. Namhlanje njengoba kusuka ku-2025 iku-32.9, okusho ukuthi from 27 to 32 ikhuphukile kakhulu-ke i-unemployment rate. So sizocaphuna ubaba uDr Barili Hutla. Kunephathi nje engifisa ukuthi ayichaze bese siyadlula. Kunenye ividiyo ebengiyibonile ngeshwa kangikwazi ukuyifaka la ngenxa ye-copyright ngoba ino-music kuyo. Kodwa lo baba lo khuluma kule video ukhuluma ngey'gebengu ezimbili. Uthi kunomehluko phakathi kwesigebengu esi-ordinary kanye ne-political thief. Uthi an ordinary thief is someone ozokuthathela ibhegi yakho, i-jewelry, ama-cellphone nokunye okunjalo. But a political thief is someone ozotshontsha ikusasa lakho, kutshontsha ikusasa ley'ngane zakho, i-career nayo yonke into nje le oyidingayo. Uthi umehluko-ke uwodwa. Isigebengu, an ordinary thief uyakhetha yena ukuthi ufuna ukubamba abani, ufuna ukuthathela abani. Kodwa a political thief ukhethwa yithi ukuthi aphinde arobhe thina. Hey, yazi ngithe mangiyilala lento ngabheka ngathi ya. Uthi kodwa kubuhlungu abantu bonke bayalwa ney'gebengu ukuthi bafuna ukulwa nobugebengu, zifuna yiphele iy'gebengu. Uthi kodwa a political thief sesimthathile sambeka laphaya, watshontsha ikusasa lethu, ikusasa ley'ngane zethu, watshontsha ama-careers wethu nayo yonke into. Khona lapho siphinde silwe sodwa ukumdefenda. Sho njalo lo baba. So interesting kakhulu lento ayishilo ngoba ingenze ngacabanga ukuthi ngempela sila sikhona kungenxa yokuthi sakhetha abantu sitshela ukuthi bazosenzela impilo yethu ibe ngcono, ngoba vele benawo amandla okwenza lokho through ama-policies. Banawo amandla, iParliament linawo amandla, kodwa ukuthi nje lokuba khona kwabo laphaya akusi ukuthi baqede inhlupheko ebantwini, akuyona i-priority. Yingakho kusenje namanje.
One of Africa's biggest cancers is that Africans, for whatever reason, seem insistent on electing leaders who've built nothing and then wonder why they build nothing. You've built nothing. You've created nothing. But for your words and political oratory, your ability to hold a tune and sing a verse, your ability to fill a stadium with poor people on the promise of a food hamper and a t-shirt. And then we vote for you. And we wonder why you don't know how to build roads or houses or balance a budget or just make sure that crime and law and order is in place. We elect clowns and then give them the seat of the headmaster's office.
Lilonke ithina esivumelele inkinga esehlele yokuthi izwe lethu lingathuthuki, unemployment rate ikhuphuke ngoba bavotelwe yithi labantu. Bavotelwe yithi. Yakuyathenye leader engiyithandayo nengiyikhonzile.
The white people have benefited, my man. You must never run away from that.
I'm not disagreeing.
And when we talk liberation, it's liberation of black people in general and Africans in particular. And those people must feel that somebody is fighting for them. I think you're calling for disaster. The day
You're calling for disaster, Julius.
let me tell you, you'll have an unled revolution. Unled revolution is anarchy. Once this marginalized, once these people who are oppressed don't feel represented, they are going to come for me and you. Especially ourselves who stay in the suburbs.
You're right.
So somebody must make them feel accommodated. Somebody must be seen to be fighting for them, so that they don't stand up on their own and lead and then create anarchy. So the EFF closes that gap and says to them, don't be that angry, we're attending to your issues.
Le video qeda kuyibona yango 2014. Anginasiqiniseko kahle noma EFF yayinonyaka wodwa isunguliwe na. Uthi CIC la, the poor people, they need to feel represented. They need to feel represented. Because if aba feel represented, kuzokonakala, especially because manje bazophuma esandleni bengabe salawuleka. And ukonakala kuzokonakala especially for labantu abahlala kuma suburb njengabo. Inkulumo nje ngikhathazela ethi somebody must be seen fighting for them, not to say somebody must fight for them.
You're right.
So somebody must make them feel accommodated. Somebody must be seen to be fighting for them, so that they don't stand up on their own and lead and then create anarchy. So
Kunomuntu okufunele enze sengathi uyabalwela. Kunomuntu ofuneka bonakale sengathi uyabalwela. Buhlungu lamazwi. Mayiphuma kumuntu omthandayo nomkhonzile. Seyisingimkhonzile kakhulu hayi kancane. Kodwa abuhlungu amazwi anje aphuma kumuntu engimkhonzile. Ngoba angenza kube khona ukumgabaza kimi, kodwa ke ngiyaqhubeka nokumthanda noma kunjalo. Asiqhubeke ke nevideo yethu ngoba ngikhuluma kodwa ngama politicians la. Ucaphuna uDr. Barili Hutla manje njoba kuzokhulunywa ngendaba le unemployment. Ikakhulukazi ngoba kunento ayishilo lapha la achaza khona ukuthi lama sitha okuyiwona afuneka train abantu ama skills asungulwe kanjani.
Unemployment in our country, since the advent of democracy at a high level, so that we can understand the actual scale of this problem and take it from a word to an actual event in the day-to-day lives of people.
Well, I mean, if you think about the time, end of about 2007, unemployment had dropped to 22%. That is 22 in every 100 were not working who were able-bodied and looking for a job.
Yeah.
That number is reversed to 32% now, and it's but that's the official rate. But they expanded unemployment, which means you stop looking for jobs because your shoe has a hole, and there's no need to go and search when you know there's nothing. That goes up to 47%.
Yeah.
Amongst the youth, it gets worse even. So unemployment has been a scourge for the country. And a number of correlates and determinants of this. One of those, which really is clearly a driver, is that when we changed the mandate of the SOEs, almost privatized them or retain them, central to the creation of the SETAs, sector employment things, we removed this from the ESCOMs, the Transnets or Splurnet and so on.
Interesting.
So
okay. Yeah.
Then we eroded the possibility of technical education that these institutions interfaced with the technicals or TVETs and they name them.
So that used to be in-house, and then we kind of dislodged it from those institutions.
They had an organic system that fed one from the other, and then indeed mitigated the problems with the private sector, because the people, once you have worked at TESCOM, they didn't need even to interview you, I'm sure.
Yeah,
they just said, we know this one is competent. Now, once we did that, you'll see that Megawatt here, Megapark, Megapark, and the other center where they trained, the grass is this big. So by removing, that's creating these things that became universities, training colleges, and so on. That I think was a very stupid move. While we needed to at least strive for equality, But that's not how you acquire equality. You do not reduce things to the lowest common denominator.
Yeah.
You aspire for the highest and find pathways towards that and deal with racism and confront it. I mean, you don't have to mince your words when you deal with racism. You deal with it, confront it, and a government, and you have all the instruments to do so. You don't go to the lowest common denominator in order to accommodate things.
Dr. Barili Hutla la usipha umlando balekile ukuthi ngaphambilini amakhampani especially ama state owned entities noma amanye ama company private bowakwenza lokho kodwa ama state owned entities njengo Transnet, Sportnet, Eskom bekuyiwona recruiter abantu bafike batrainwe ngaphakathi. Uma sebetrainiwe ngaphakathi bese lawo bantu laba sikho nesidingo sokuthi benze ama interviews futhi bafuna ngisho experience ngoba bebelokhu besebenza khona la i-theory bayenza la practical bayenza la kwase kukhandwa ke le system yamasitha kwakhandwa ka TVET college ukuthi asezotrain abantu then ama company manje sewazo contributor contribute kuma sitha ukuze kutrainwe abantu uthi le nto le it was a stupid move eyathathwa ilaba basiphethe and ke lokho kuvula ithuba lokuthi ama comrade akwazi ukuyilutha le yamali ngoba phela ama comrade siwazi kahle njengoba kulezi insuku ekwakhulunywa nje kwanomsindo osukayo mayelana nendaba yawo abachairperson bamasitha yingoba bekufaka abantu abangama comrade ngoba indawo abakwazi ukuyilutha kahle ukuthi ngathiwa kune youth unemployment engaka kodwa uzwe kuthiwa amasitha athatha imali ayibuyisele emuva uyabona ukuthi labantu laba abananhloso yokulwa nalento le ye unemployment abananhloso stalo abamkhathalele ompofu nohluphekile ayibakhathazile le ndaba unemployment mhlawumbe ibayayisho nje so uma uzwa amagama athi kufanele labantu bafile izifu khona barepresentayo enza zonke lezi zinto lezi nqumo ethathwa uhulumeni wethu lawo magama enza ukuthi simbhekisisa ukuthi ngathi uhulumeni wethu wonke unemandate eyodwa funeka thina basenze sifile ngathi ku right kodwa bona bayazazi ukuthi ekugcineni kosuku bona ba right.
But that's one part. The second part is we have never dealt with the spatials apartheid, which undermined the possibilities of building the necessary skills because people are far away from everything about everything. And we never addressed the destructive nature of apartheid itself. Part of the problem is that we've gone into a degenerative cycle that produces negative outcomes. And then we actually use our policy instruments to try and deal and mitigate negative outcomes and find ourselves in them. We no longer know what success actually means. For instance, when we have 28 million people receiving grants, we use that as an argument for success, even in political campaigns. Now, when you do that, even when you probably don't mean that success, in a politically heated system, you say that is success.
Yaqhubeka la uDr Lehutla uthi into eyenzekile abazange balungisa umonakalo okhandwe apartheid. Kodwa ngifisa ukubeka kucace lokho uDr Barili Hutla aka blame apartheid ngale monakalo okhona. Uthi lento imphumela yento eyenza ngeapartheid. Isizathu salokho ukuthi uhulumeni wethu uthe mayithatha amandla uhulumeni wabamnyama wayi-adopta le system ye-apartheid. Ufike nje mayithatha nje uhulumeni wabantu abamnyama wayi-adopta wangayiguqula ngoba yona ngokwayo yayikhandela ukuthi abantu abamnyama babe ngabahluphekeleyo Kodwa uma ke sekuthatha abamnyama bangabe besayiguqula le system ukuthi no, abantu abamnyama siba empower, basibanika ama skills, sikwazi ukuthi sishintshe education system yabo ibe right, silungise ukuze labantu bakwazi ukuzimela. Uzuthi manje ngenxa ke yemphumela leyo sekuze kuthathwa into njengama social grants, of which ke ngoba kunje abantu they need to be empowered, bakwazi ukuzimela, hayi ukuthi barely kuma social grants. Uthi ngendlela ongakhona sekuze kuthathwa njenge success ukuthi abantu bathola ama grants, sengathi impumelelo leyo ngoba abantu abawu-28 million bathola ama grants, lokho kuyimpumelelo. Uthi ngisho ama politicians noma campaigner asiyakubala lokho njengento abazoyenzela abantu, instead of ukuthi beze neindlela ukuthi abantu bazoba empowera kanjani. Ni leader lengiyikhonzile nengiyithandayo CIC wakhuluma kanje:
Comrades, enzana abantwana ngizawukhokhela mna, because siyayidabula i-child grant from 510 to 1,020 rand, because our children deserve better. Don't be lazy. Please, don't be lazy. Enzana abantwana SG lingalali.
Ngoba Ramaphosa angazi noma ulungisela uke America noma useyile America, nginalwazi kahle. Dibane nabezindaba ke bambuza ngohambo lwakhe, base bembuza ukuthi nawo ama stats aphumile uthini yena unemployment rate. Uphendule kanje nake:
My last question, the statistics, as I released the statistics during the week regarding unemployment, it's increasing, Mr. President. Are you not worried?
I am continuously worried about the state of unemployment, and we are taking all steps and measures to grow our economy. We need to unleash the levers of our economy and attend to the constraints and the impediments that are keeping our economic growth down. Attend to the problems that are making it difficult for the private sector to create jobs, and also increase the level of public employment, because we are committed to doing that. We want young people to find jobs, and even those who are 35 and older to be able to find employment and to be employed. So unemployment is one of our overriding problems, and we are paying attention to it.
Ngoba umuzwa ke upresident ethi they are paying attention to it. Kodwa ke qinisweni lilonke ama members of parliament moke wangena njengoba MP uhola more than 100,000 rand per month, okwenza ugcina kubalelwa ku 1.4 million per year. So lenkinga okukhulunywa ngazo ze unemployment isuke singasathinti wena kakhulu, kodwa nje wena into efuna kuyenze ukumaintain abantu abahluphekile, ubenze bafile represented, ubenze bafile as if someone umele bona ukuze baqhubeke bakuvotela. Kodwa ekugcineni kosuku bona nezingane zabo ba right, njengoba umuzi upresident ethi baye attend, angazi noma unyaka wesi7 nalo ephethe njengopresident, kodwa namanje basayi attend inkinga unemployment. Ingoba bayi attenda kahle, abajahile ngoba bona nemndeni yabo, futhi akekho ngcono wonke ama political parties, kodwa yonke lento abayenzayo amandla okuyenza bayinikwe yithi, bawanikwe yithi amandla nje ukuthi benze yonke lento abayenzayo bawanikwe yithi, ngokuthi sivota sicimezile, sivota sisebenzisa ama emotions, asithatha ingqondo yethu isiphelezele masiyovota. Uyabona nje kufanele ama politicians azi ukuthi akufanelanga ugangele kubantu base South Africa, akufanelanga udlale ngabantu base South Africa, ngoba uma bekunika ithuba wangalisebenzisa bazovotela omunye umuntu bakukhiphe wena. Kodwa ngoba bayazi ukuthi benza noma yini kithi sizobavotela, iyona lento ezokwenza ukuthi isimo sethu singaguquki. Lilonke nje ngithi mzukwane thina sathi sekwanele, mzukwane thina kwafika la sesithi khona sesikhathele manje. Ilelanga lokuguquka ngaso isimo sethu, hayi ukuthi mzukwane sathi sesikhathele mhlambe siyolwa, cha. siyoshintsha indlela esenza ngayo izinto, siyosebenzisa amandla ethu. Ile ngosuku sokwazi ngalo ukuthi sinawo amandla, usuku lolo koguqwa ngalizimo. Ayikho ipolitical, yabona masingenza example ngepolitical party eyodwa, kuyobonakala ukuthi asidlali. Ngeke siphathwe ipolitical party kuphele 5 years, kuthi ngonyaka iphele 4 years, kuthi nguma kuzoqala unyaka ka5 seyibona ukuthi izophuma bese iqala ithi vala ama-pothole. No, angeke. Kuyofuneka sibavote out noma sebeqalile. Mzukwane sakwazi ukusebenzisa amandla ethu. Mzukwane sazazi ukuthi thina sinamandla, labantu balapha eParliament ngenxa yethu. Usuku lolu abayokwazi ngalo ukuthi sibabekeleni lapha eParliament. Ngoba noma sithanda noma singathandi ngeke siphile ngaphandle kosopolitiki. Yingakho abanye abantu beze bakhetha ukuthi no, manje abasavoti. Yingenxa yalento lenziwa usopolitiki, because they are managing us. Bafuna ukuthi sifeel comfortable, sifeel as if we are represented. Kodwa lokho kwenziwa yithi. Uma ngabe endaweni yangakithi bekuphethe IFP, uma ingenzanga kahle siyivote out ukuze nezongena izobona ukuthi hey, labantu laba badlali wangawenza umsebenzi bakukhipha. Uma bekuphethe iDA, uma ingenzanga kahle siyivote out. ANC beyiphethe for the past 30 years, asike siyivoteleni, asivoteni out, iphume ANC emandleni kuphatha abanye abantu. Lokho kuzokwenza ukuthi nabo aba-political parties babone ukuthi hey, abantu base South Africa bayonto yokudlala. Kodwa uma sisenza indlela esenza ngayo, sesalawulwa imizwa, sisazoqhubeka sibe nje. Into abasazoqhubeka njengoba Desha uVusithembe kwayo ukuthi bazosigcwalisa istadium, basipha ama-t-shirt, basiculisa ingoma, basitshele yonke into esifuna sizwe, yonke into esifuna sizwe. Uma sisuka lapho thina sibuyele emakhaya sihluphekile, yena makuphela inyanga ungena 100,000, ingane zakhe azifunde la ingane zethu ezifunda khona. Ima sinenkinga load shedding emalokishini, amanzi engekho emalokishini nasemakhaya. Banawo amanzi lapha kumasababa, banawo ugesi kumasababa, ba-protected. Izinga lobugebengu nokubanjwa inkunzi kwabantu, la silahlekelwa khona zihlobo zethu, la sishiwa khona abantu asibathandayo, aphuma umuntu emsebenzini angabuyi ngoba ebanjwa inkunzi. Yonke lonto le ayibehleli, bahlala kuma-gated areas, noma ngithi gated suburb, la khona okungangeni noma ubani, okunama-security. Umuntu okwazi ukupaka imoto yakhe ayishiye nokhiye phakathi ngoba ba-safe. So lilonke asiwazi amandla ethu, yithi abavumela sonke lesimo esesehlelayo. Okusho ukuthi uma sisenabantu abahluphekile, yingoba siyathanda thina ngoba labantu bavotelwe yithi. Ngiyabonga.